constellations, Earth rotates on its axis. This makes most constellations appear to rise in the east and set in the west during the night. So, as we all know that the Earth only rotates on its axis. So that makes the constellation nga mag-appear sa sky tanan nga constellation nga mag-appear sa sky from east to west during the night. If mag-rotate na ang Earth sa iyang axis, so halos tanan nakita yun nato ang constellation. So most constellations appear in many different positions in the sky as the Earth revolves around the sun. So ang mga constellation is kanang lahi-lahi kung sila position in the sky, kay revolve man ang Earth around the sun. And there is a group of stars that appear in the sky all night long and all year long. It seems that these stars do not rise and set circle the Earth North Poles each night. These stars are called circumpolar. So kaning nga mga star, group of stars is muna siya ang ka-appear gani siya sila sa sky kanang tibok gabi o tibok tuig. And then murag kaning nga mga stars is kanang dili sila ga rise and set sa circle sa Earth's North Pole each night. So kani siya nga mga star, katong mga star nga dili sa rise and set it is called circumpolar. Okay, so how can we identify constellations in the night sky? So syempre, the use of a star chart can help us. So what is a star chart? So star chart is a map of the stars in the sky. Mao ni siya ang mapa sa stars in the night sky. So, kung kita sa Earth, natay map na to para malocate na tong isa ka direction sa sky na po sila yung star chart. Okay. Next, on star chart, lines of connect to the stars that might make up a constellation. Different star charts must be used at different times of the year and in different places on Earth. So, dapat different jud nga star charts must be used in different times of the year. And many stars visible from the southern hemisphere cannot be seen from the northern hemisphere. So base sa ilaha is kanang daghan kay sa southern hemisphere is daghan kay mga mag-visible nga star, pero dili makita sa northern hemisphere. Next, mo ni siya ang star map. Star charts. Mo ni siya ang star charts. Dara ang mga constellations. Okay, so what other tools can help us identify constellations? So, star charts are the best for identifying a constellation in the sky. But a compass is the best for locating direction from north, south, east, and west. So you need to know the direction before you can use a star chart correctly. So if you want to use a star chart correctly, you must first use a compass para madali nimo ma-locate ang direction. Okay, what are the other inventions help us view items in space? Syempre, a telescope. So mostly people use telescope. Muna sila ilang ginagamit pag gusto sila maglantaw sa sky. Okay, next is muna ni siya ang 88 ka constellation and their brightest stars. So daghan kayo constellations sa stars. So first, let's discuss the Andromeda. Kani siya is the form ni siya as Greek princess iyang forma. And then Antlia is air pump, kanang pump sa air ba. And then Apus is a bird of paradise. Aquarius is a water bearer and wine waiter to the gods. Wine bearer ni siya si Aquarius. Si Aquila is a eagle retriever of Zeus thunderbolts. Si Ara is the altar used by the gods to vow allegiance before battle with the Titans. Si Ares is a ram whose golden fleece was recovered by Jason. Ariga is a charioteer. Butes is a herdsman, son of Zeus. Si Caelum is a chisel. Si Camelopardalis is a giraffe. Cancer is a crab that bit Hercules' foot. Canis venatici is a hunting dogs of Butes. Hunting dogs. So, Canis major, muna siya ang Orion's greater hunting dog. Ang Canis minor, muna siya ang Orion's lesser hunting dog. And Capricornus is a sea goat associated with god of the countryside. And Carina is the kill of the Argo. Cassiopeia is, siya si Queen Cassiopeia. Centaurus is the wise centaur. Cephus is the Ethiopian king. Cephus. Si Cetus is the sea monster that attacks Cephus' territory. So, si Chameleon, siya, yung forma is chameleon, good siya. So, Cercinus, drafting compass. Masyag ka ng pang drafting a compass. And then, Columba, the dove. Berenices is the hair of Queen Berenice of Egypt. And then, Corona Australis, siya ang southern crown. Corona Borealis, northern crown. Corvus, crow sent by Apollo in search of water. Siya Corvus. Crater, cap clutched by crow in search of water. And Crux, siya ang southern cross. Then, Cygnus, siya ang swan. Swan siya and Zeus in disguise. And then Delphinus, siya dolphin, messenger of Poseidon. Dorado, siyang sword fish. Draco, siya dragon that guards the golden apple tree. And Culeus, little horse. Next is Eridanus, siya mythical river. And then Furnace. So Gemini, mythical twins, Castor and Pollux. Grus, crane. Hercules, greatest hero in Greek mythology. Siyang greatest hero in Greek mythology. And then Horologium, siya pendulum clock. Hydra, siya multi-headed water snake slain by Hercules. So, Hydrus, siyang lesser water snake. Indus, Indian yung form. And then, Lacerta is a lizard. Leo is a lion of Nemea, slain by Hercules. Leo minor is a lion cub, baby lion. So, Lepus is a chased by Orion's dogs. Libra, balance. Lupus is a wolf. Lynx, lynx. So, Lyra is a lyre played by musician Orpheus. Minsa, Table Mountain, South Africa. Microscopium monoceros. Ang microscopium is microscope. Ang monoceros is ang unicorn. So, Musca, siya fly, langaw. So, Norma, siya carpenter square, kanang T-square sa kapang carpenter. And then, Octans, siya octant navigational instrument. Ophiuchus, serpent bearer, god of medicine. Orion, monitor siyang hunter, son of Poseidon. And Pavo, siya peacock. Pegasus, siyang winged horse. Perseus, husband of Andromeda, slayer of Medusa. Phoenix, the mythical bird of rebirth. Pictor, siyang painter's easel. Pisces, two fish swimming opposite to each other. So, Pisces Austrinus, siyang southern fish. Papis, siyang poop deck of Argo. And then, Physis, compass. The reticulum, siyang net of crosshairs in a telescope. Sagitta, arrow used by Apollo to kill Cyclops. And Sagittarius, siya ang centaur archer. And then Scorpius, siya ang scorpion or killer of Orion. Sculptor, yes. And Scutum, siyang shield honoring King John III. And then Serpents, siyang serpent's head. Sextant, instrument for measuring star position. And Taurus, siyang bull, as we discussed last. And Zeus in the sky, disguise. So telescopium, telescope. Triangulum, siyang triangle. Triangulum Australe, southern triangle. Tucana, toucan. And Ursa Major, siyang great bear or Callisto, lover of Zeus. So Ursa Minor is a lesser bear nymph that nursed Zeus as an infant. And Vela, siyang sail of the ship Argo. Virgo, siya virgin goddess of justice. Volans, flying fish, Bangsi. So Vulpecula, the fox. So that is all the 88 constellations of the stars, and also that is all about the universe. So that is all about my topic. Thank you, everyone.